Hey y'all, welcome back to Big Mama's Kitchen. We're gonna go ahead and keep the party going tonight and move on to lemon pepper wings. Okay, so this will be my first time trying the Kentucky Kernel seasoned flour. I got it on Amazon. I saw a video of someone on YouTube using it, and I thought, okay, I'll give it a try. So shout out to Cooking with Doug, I think his name is. So I'm going to see how it works. It looked real good and crunchy on his video, but we're going to find out. Okay, y'all? So I have the seasoning, a splash of slap your mama, lemon pepper, of course. Just 3 shakes of this, y'all. This, don't do too much with the Himalayan salt. Don't do it to yourself. Garlic powder, black peppercorn, and instead of using real butter, I'm going to use this. I can't believe it's not butter, and it actually really tastes like butter, y'all. I don't know. I have it sprayed in here to dust it after we're done. No egg wash tonight, y'all. Just shaking it up with seasoning, shaking it up in the flour. And instead of olive oil spray, we have butter flavored spray, okay? Trying to keep it light, but still get the flavor we need, okay? Okay, be back in a few. Okay, y'all, so I forgot to mention, I'm mixing up this chicken with the seasoning, but I also added a splash of balsamic vinegar. Don't ask me why, y'all. Sometimes I just have to go with the Big Mama force, okay? Listen, sometimes you put regular vinegar on chicken. I just wanted a splash of balsamic. So hopefully it turns out great. And then it's my secret weapon, okay? So seasoning, splash of balsamic vinegar, no egg wash. We're going to drop it in the flour in just a minute. Be right back, y'all. Okay, I'm back. So I'm done mixing the seasoning around on the chicken. And I must say, I opened up this Kentucky Kernel seasoned flour. And I'm smelling it, y'all. And I'm telling you, it says seasoning, but it don't smell like seasoning like I season. So, I'm not trying to say nothing about the kernel here, but I hope this works out, okay? If it don't, I'm gonna let you know. So, I also purchased this bread batter bowl contraption here from Walmart. I mean, not Walmart, I'm sorry. Amazon, y'all. And it was only $7.99. So I thought I'd try it, see how it works. So I'm gonna put the flour in there. Seasoned flour. Okay. And I'm gonna put the chicken on top and start shaking it up. Again, no egg wash. No Ziploc bag this time. Just all lemon pepper seasoning. And shaking up in the box. So let me get this together and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have flour on the bottom of this thing and my chicken in there. I'm going to sprinkle some more flour on the top. Not sure if I'm supposed to be doing this, but I'm going to do it. This is about $2.50 a box. I got a 4-pack for about $10. Uh-oh. So let's get this all shaken up and ready to go. See you in a minute. All right. Nice and shaken there. Looks pretty even. However, well, yeah, it's even. Let me stop. Because I was going to tell y'all to stick with the Ziploc bag, but I can tell it's even. I think I would mostly use this for fish, though, and keep my chicken in a bag. Alright, so let me get it loaded up, and we'll be right back. Alright, guys. So I was able to get in quite a few wings. Not all of them, but enough for a first round. I'm going to not spray them just yet. Let them cook for a couple minutes first, and then apply a butter spray this time instead of olive oil. So these will go for about 20 minutes, but I'm going to come back in a couple minutes to apply the butter spray. Okay? Alright, we'll see how it goes. Alright, y'all, a little over the 10-minute mark. Let's check the flip. Oh yeah, we definitely need to flip. Alright, let me get these things flipped. See you in a minute. Okay, guys, I got them all flipped. I lost a little bit of flour, but not much. And I hit it up with the spray. So we'll be right back. Finish cooking these bad boys. Smelling good, though. Okay, y'all, it's smelling real lemony, peppery up in here. So let me grab another plate so y'all know I got more than one. Okay. And let's see what it's looking like, because we already know what it's smelling like. Only a minute left. Let's check it out. Ooh wee. Nice sizzle. Smelling nice. So is that what happened when there's no egg wash? Okay. Smell good though, but we're gonna find out in a minute. Be right back, y'all. Okay, got them all plated. That's how it turned out. As you can see, no egg wash. Did lose a little bit of flour. Casualty in war. That's okay. I'm going to go ahead and brush these. Just apply a little bit of this. Let them cool off, and then we'll have a taste test. Okay, y'all? Almost there. See you in a minute. Alright, I'm back and ready for the taste test. Let's go in for a flat. Right. Alright. Here goes nothing. Okay. I got the lemon pepper in there good. Kentucky Kernel. Okay, well, the jury's still out, but I don't know. Maybe it's no egg wash. Maybe it's not, but this chicken tastes really good. And it's all about the lemon pepper. I would like it to be a little crunchier, a little flakier, but I'll give them another try. There you have it, guys. Lemon pepper chicken wings in the air fryer. See you next time.